Hello, this is your instructor Danielle, and I just want to show you how you can get to the library's databases from the library's webpage. So the library's webpage is caprio.edu/library, and then you can scroll down. Under library services, we have articles and databases. If you want to go ahead and click that. And then you can find Academic Search Complete here under our most popular databases list, as well as opposing viewpoints. And once you're in Academic Search Complete, you can enter by just clicking on it. And then you can type in the center search bar, and you can type words like filter, bubble, social media as search terms, and clicks the search button. And then once you find a article that you like, you can click on it and come here on the right hand side and click Cite. Select MLA. For our purposes, MLA 9. You can just copy by highlighting and hitting Control-C, or right-clicking and hitting copy, and then you can paste it into your post. It's similar for opposing viewpoints. And you click on opposing viewpoints and you type in algorithm. And you find a article that you like. Just click on the upper right hand side and you'll find the citation button there. You can click on that and hit the select button. It'll automatically highlight it for you, and then you can just Control-C or right click to copy and then paste that into your discussion post. Okay, please let me know if you have any more questions. Good luck with the assignment.